Now we finally made it. 365 days, 365 videos about Photoshop. Just to give you a little bit of a small conclusion, we've made it through it. I think it's a good playlist for beginners. If this is the first video in the playlist that you stumble upon, just check out my channel homepage. Scroll down until you can find the Photoshop section, and there it is. So an entire playlist with 365 videos, and I've arranged them, I would say, somewhat progressively. So if you are looking for a course that teaches you Photoshop step by step, start with the first video and then do 1 or 2 videos a day. And if you stick with it, I'm going to teach you the basics of using this program. I will certainly continue making Photoshop videos. There's still a lot to learn when it comes to intermediate and more advanced effects and usage of this program. I will create Photoshop manipulations, Photoshop effects from time to time, and I will also publish a couple of tips and tricks. But when it comes to the beginner stuff, once again, I think that the Learn Photoshop in 365 Days playlist covers it all, so it's a good place to start. There are great channels on YouTube that you can check out if you want to learn more about Photoshop. It doesn't have to be mine. Most of these channels, basically all of them, are bigger than mine, way bigger, so you might know them already, but if you don't, you're going to find links to them in the video description. Check out, for example, Piximperfect. It's a very good channel that explains Photoshop very much in detail, sometimes longer videos if you have the time, sometimes shorter ones about new features. Smart Graphics is a channel that I really like. Videos are already a little bit older, but you can find good effects, especially graphic design stuff, poster design, stuff like that. The official Adobe Photoshop channel, certainly another good channel to check out. Sometimes they have these entire webinars that they post here for free. If you're more interested in Photoshop manipulations, then check out Newer Art and another channel called RevEA. This is what I would call more advanced stuff. Another great channel is PH Learn, and finally PS Desire. So these are the channels that have taught me a lot, and you will certainly find lots of more tutorials to work through and then transition from being a beginner towards intermediate and an even advanced user of Photoshop. I hope my channel and this playlist in particular were helpful. Once again, you will find the links in the video description, and thank you for watching.